If you want to know how I achieved this delicious, yummy Nigerian akara, stay tuned and watch to the end. Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Nenye. If it's your first time of stopping by on my channel, please kindly press the red button and subscribe, and also put the notification bell on so whenever I upload a new video you'll be notified, guys. To my old subscribers, I thank you so much. You guys are amazing. Thank you for supporting your girl Nenye. I really appreciate. May God bless you guys so much for me. In today's video I'll be showing you guys how I make my Nigerian akara. That's what I'll be showing you guys today. Let me introduce you guys the ingredients I'll be using in today's recipe. I'll be using these black eye beans, crayfish, salt, onions, and scotch bonnet pepper. I'll be using these 5 ingredients to do it. That's what I'll be using. So guys, stay tuned. First of all, I'm going to soak the beans for 30 minutes. The reason why I'm doing that is for the beans to be soaked before I can start peeling off the back. That's the reason why I'm doing that, and equally to help my blender out. Right now I'm going to pour water into the beans. Guys, after 30 minutes of soaking, I'm going to pour it into the blender to peel off the back. I don't have the time to do it with my hand. I'm just trying to prepare the meal very fast. Right now I'm going to on the blender and I'll allow it to blend like 3 seconds. Guys, it's okay right now. So guys, at this point we are going to wash the beans. Pour the beans into the bowl. Let's start the washing. I'll pour enough water into the beans. So when you pour enough water into the beans, you will see that the chaff will separate from the beans immediately, and that will make it very easy for you. It will separate the chaff on top and leave the beans on the bottom. As you can see here, it's very easy to wash. It's just easy. Keep washing until there's no chaff in it again. If you don't have the strength to wash this, if you go to the shop, you'll see already peeled beans there. You buy it, or you can use beans flour and do it, but I always like to do it by myself. So guys, after the washing, this is how it looks after the washing. Have you seen it? Right now I'm going to pour the beans into the blender and blend it immediately. As you can see here, what I have here is the beans, crayfish, half of the onions, and the pepper. So I'm going to blend all of them together. So guys, I'm going to add water into the blender and then I will blend. You don't need to add much water when blending your beans. You don't need to add much water into it. I'm going to pour it into the bowl. Then I'll be adding salt into the bowl. Onions, I'll be adding onions too. Then after adding all the ingredients, I'm going to mix all of them with this hand mixer. The reason why I'm doing this thing is so that all the ingredients I put now will mix very well. Let's start. So guys, I'm done mixing. It's time to fry the akara. Heat up a frying pan and then you add vegetable oil into it. Right now I'm going to put small into the oil to know if the oil is hot enough. Just like this. This shows that the oil is hot enough because the akara is floating, but when you go stand the pan, that shows that the oil is not hot enough to fry the akara. Right now I'm just going to fry it 4 to 5 minutes until it turns golden brown. Then I'll turn the other side too. So guys, right now I'm going to turn the other side of. Akara is a popular meal and a street food in Nigeria, and is often eaten as a breakfast in Nigeria. I can remember back then I always wake up early in the morning to go and queue up so I can buy akara. Oh my goodness. So guys, our yummy akara is ready. As you can see now, I'm going to remove it. So guys, I'm just going to repeat the same method until I finish frying the blended beans. And to my lovely people, if you want to buy akara, just let me know. I'm just going to sell it for you for free. My people, the best time to prepare akara is on weekend, because you will have the time to do everything you want to do, because akara takes time to prepare. So guys, our Nigerian delicious yummy akara is ready. Serve with custard. You can equally use bread to eat it, corn pap or agidi, anyone can go. Do you see how yummy it looks? So my wonderful and my lovely people, if you found this video helpful, like, comment and share my video as. Thank you for watching and bye bye. I love you so much.